Hi, it's me Natalie once again. So today I'm in Lorong 7 Toa Payoh and I'm going to show you a 5-room HDB flat. As we all know, Toa Payoh is very well known for its mature estate and it's highly sought after for its central location. So what makes today's 5-room improved to model HDB flat with 121 square meters attractive? Let me show you. As you walk in, you are greeted with a super spacious living room adjoined with a balcony that receives good sunlight, excellent for those who love indoor plants. Not only is the layout generous in size, it's functional, leaving you with no wasted space. All 3 bedrooms are neatly tucked away for privacy from the living room when you host your guests. As first owners, the sellers have maintained their home extremely well by religiously giving it a facelift every 5 years or so. The result is the immaculate condition that you are looking at right now. For those who may not know, Toa Payoh is extremely accessible and convenient to travel to any part of the country. In fact, Toa Payoh is also the first self-sufficient satellite town to be built by HDB. This means it was the first town people could stay in without having to travel to another location for basic amenities and facilities such as schools, shops and cinemas. So now that you've seen the unit and you've heard about the advantages of its location, why wait? Call me, Natalie, for a viewing.